Hello, welcome to this video. So this is just a quick tutorial on aliases. So what are aliases? Aliases is just a cleaner way of using imports in your React project. So let's look at a sample React project. So if you look at this React project, you can see these are my imports. These imports are relative import and they just get so messy. You can see if the problem with this is that if I move this file off of this location to, let's say, another location. So this is a components file. If I move this to this other components folder, my project will crash. Definitely it will crash. So what aliases does, it gives you a cleaner way to manage imports. So if you're moving things around, it wouldn't really affect what you're doing. So to start working with aliases, we want to go down to our Vite config folder. Let's bring this down, increase my font. So right here in the Vite config folder, you want to, under our define config, you want to put another field. I'm just going to paste this code here. So what this is doing is it's setting up aliases using the @ sign. So this @ sign is pointing to our source directory. So if you move, let's go down to our React projects. You can see this is our source directory. So this is what this @ sign will be pointing to. Don't worry, you'll get it while we work with it. You get what that means. So if I come down here, okay, our course registration folder, instead of going back and back using our relative imports, we can just cancel this. So by the way, this is select input from our components, select input. This is the components we are trying to import. So all we can do is cancel this, use our @ sign at. Remember, our @ sign is pointing to, from our Vite config, is pointing to our source directory. I guess this project is broken because we haven't imported parts. So what you want to do is from parts, imports, parts, no, not from, I'm a Python developer mostly. From parts, imports, right? Import parts from parts rather. So this will import part. So remember, our @ sign is pointing to our source directory. So we can just basically use @ pointing to source. Then we can go @/component/ our select input. So we go select input. And our project is still running fine. And this is just a cleaner way of doing import. I can basically move this folder, this file, down to another folder, and this project will still work. Why? Because of aliases. So we can come back to our, this is the project opened up here. We have an error. This is let's see, source/components, okay, with an S rather. So yeah, so the project still works because of we've gotten that to work. So that's basically what aliases do. Just so I can go ahead to change all these relative imports to using aliases. So I can come back here and boom, just so cleaner than what we have before compared to what we have in this other, with this other component import. It's just a cleaner way of doing it. And our project still runs as fine. You can see this is the course registration page, which point to this course registration form. You can see, and our project still work. So thank you very much. If you gained value from this video on how to use aliases, please subscribe to this channel. I'm really trying to grow this channel up to 1,000 subscribers. Drop in the comment section what kind of videos you want to watch. Drop down in comment what tech stack you want to learn. I'll make sure to do a video about it. Thank you very much. Peace.